Hello lovely, I'm Veronique from HerMJ.com. I want to show you something I'm so proud of. This is the handmade Australian opal necklace and moonstone pendant. Together, these gemstones are a perfect combination of energy, inspiration and optimism. The stunning organic stones in this necklace offer a genuine chance to own a piece of Australia. I designed it to be balanced. In the construction, I've used professional jeweler's wire, not silk, so there's no chance of it stretching. From the day you put it on, it will keep its beautiful form. This is a limited edition necklace made in-house in small quantities. For those of you who appreciate the energies associated with Australian opals, you know about the stone's association with vitality and passion. And the moonstone, a cousin to labradorite with its spectacular glow, is highly regarded for its symbolic connection to inner wisdom and new beginnings as well as protection. This handmade design piece is exclusively available from HerMJ.com for a limited time. I think you'll absolutely adore it, and you can follow HerMJ to see new designs as they're added to my studio collection. Thank you for watching. I always look forward to seeing you.